Now is a good time to append agenda topics to the agenda if you have
You add the, oh no, you don't want to do that. I was saying, if you could add the agenda to the calendar invite, that would be great, but.
At the moment, it's a GitHub issue, so it changes each time.
Yes.
It's issue 415 on the ICS repository.
Dean,
which repository?
you were looking cosmic.
ICS, Cosmos/ICS.
Uh,
Issue 415. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Just a quick update from me on implementation status. We have, in theory, finished everything that's required for Game of Zones. We've just been testing with the relayer, fixing capability issues in the SDK. Thanks to Jack, Aditya, lots of other people who've been testing and helping out, and all the community members who found issues which we have been working hard to fix. But we're on track for Game of Zones software release. If you have not yet signed up, please sign up for Game of Zones at goz.cosmosnetwork.dev. I believe the deadline to do that is soon.
Right, Saturday.
Saturday. The deadline is tomorrow.
The 25th.
Saturday, the 25th. Today is Thursday. I've just completely lost track of time. I guess this meeting is always on Thursday, so I should be able to anchor my time for this meeting. Anyways, and we are now moving towards the 1.0 implementation milestone on the SDK, which you can find at Cosmos SDK /milestone 21, IBC 1.0. We've been working on that and modifying issues this week. Plow through it. That's it for me. Any questions on those topics?
Wait, Jack is here, and there hasn't been a relayer demo. I'm not sure what's going on.
I can do it real quick. Anyone interested? I finally fixed the build last night.
Just kidding. Sorry, Chris. Continue.
Michelle, you asked about the protobuf IBC migration. The protobuf IBC migration is in progress. It is dependent on some upstream changes in Tendermint, which we're working on getting into the next Tendermint release. You can find more information at pull request 5940 on the SDK. And
Dean, are you orbiting? Sorry.
Does that answer your question, Michelle?
Sounds good.
I couldn't tell if that was a yes, but I'll assume it was. Dean asks where to accumulate videos of demos. Scripts for doing them in webinars. Good question.
We're doing a fair number of, sessions with like, Jack on the relayer, or for Gitcoin Hackathon, or on DIBC, or those kinds of stuff. And eventually, that stuff that can have a long tail if people can find it. The kind of thing I'm thinking of is, if we post them on YouTube, having a single YouTube channel that is across multiple companies, so that it's got, the Explorer folks' demo of their Explorer, and the best canonical demo of setting up the relayer, and the video by Kava of connecting their chain or Band of showing off their chain or whatever it is, but just a YouTube channel that has all that might be a nice place to be able to submit things to get added, partly as a resource for Game of Zone, partly generally as a resource for IBC.
So the Cosmos Network YouTube channel has been cooperative and helpful in doing this. And basically, if you send me videos, or I can share, I have a Google Drive that I share with them. There's no reason why I can open that up to other people to put stuff in there, and then from there. So I've been giving the Twitch videos to the Cosmos team.
Okay. And do they link to them in your YouTube account, or they upload them separately?
They uploaded them under the Cosmos YouTube account.
Okay. I wasn't sure whether you could do. It would be nice to also do a playlist that is across other people, that includes other people's videos, which would be complementary to
Which would be another strategy here, but we don't have a YouTube channel for Game of Zones. We have a Twitch stream, but we don't also have a YouTube.
Okay. Yeah, send me the link in any case. But so if Michelle returns, I would propose setting up a YouTube channel for those other things as well. Partly because, also there's going to be the Ready Layer 1 that will have some relevant presentations or stuff like that.
Or no.
Aha, I heard a voice.
Yeah, we're going to be adding more ecosystem channels to the Cosmos one as well. Sorry, I did have a question on the protobuf, but I guess my audio wasn't working.
Correct.
Is this, Chris, you said it's dependent on Tendermint, so is it different than the SDK GitHub issue 5444, or is that?
I confess I don't know. I mean, the multiple parts of the SDK need to be migrated. IBC is one of those parts. Migrating IBC in particular requires migrating some of the types that are used for the light client, and some of the types that are used for the light client are going to have protobuf definitions in the Tendermint repository. So instead of duplicating them, it makes more sense to import them, and we're just waiting on the next Tendermint release so we can import them. But, it's not a blocker to development, it's just sort of a blocker to releasing everything in a coherent fashion.
That answered it.
Any other agenda items for today? Or will it be a short one? Feel free to speak up. Okay. If no one has anything else, we'll just give you the remainder of the hour back.
I was just going to say, I think we're really close and things are coming together great.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
I'm currently in this battle with WebSocket query syntax. See whether or not I can get it to send IBC events without having to get every block and every transaction over the WebSocket.
Yeah. I think every transaction should work, Sucky. I tried to send you those signatures.
Yeah, I saw what you sent me. I've looked through your thread. I want to fight with this for, I don't know, a little bit more time today and see if I can get it to work.
Okay.
Otherwise, we'll just bite the bullet and do that. It'll be suboptimal, especially given the amount, it'll increase the amount of data we probably have to ingest for Game of Zones.
Yes, definitely.
Though, I guess there's not going to be that many transactions that aren't IBC related, frankly. So it might, if we get all the transactions, it might end up being the same. So maybe I should just work from that on the basis of that.
The other thing is it's hard to write one query that gets you all the messages. Yeah.
All the IBC messages for a channel?
Yeah.
We are making an indexing solution. I'm not sure that will make it production grade and in time for Game of Zones, but there is a chance that we'll have an open API to query regarding the IBC messages for a chain and so on.
Well, all I'm saying is if anyone figures out if anyone here is working on stuff and figures out how to get IBC mess related events directly over the WebSocket without having to get every transaction, I would love to know this. I might try, like I said, I might try for a few more, like maybe till the end of this hour, and then just kind of bite the bullet and write all the stuff we need for getting every transaction, and then like obtaining them, and then like doing the metadata that we need. Cool.
Cool. All right. Have a splendid Thursday. See
Excellent.
you soon in the game zones. Ciao.
Thanks, everybody.